Welcome back to my channel. It's Curls Next Door here. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. So you guys, in today's video, I want to share with you some fragrances that I'm super excited to go ahead and pull out from my arsenal for late fall into winter. I feel like these are super amazing. I feel like they are long-lasting fragrances when I wear them alone, and even better when I pair them up with other fragrances. I love these. I have neglected them for a whole 11 months, and I'm super happy to go ahead and bring them out for the fall and into the winter because it's late fall right now. It's after Thanksgiving. And I just want to go ahead and love these. So with that being said, let us get into the video.
See it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got
First
it.
one that I want to share with you is one that I ran out of the fragrance mist, but I do have several backups of the Diamond Shimmer Mist in my collection. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of Diamond Shimmer Mist, but I will wear this until I actually get a backup of this. I can't wait till semi-annual sale so that I can go ahead and grab just a few of these and be okay with it. So the first one that I'm super happy to bring out and place on my body is this Winter Candy Apple. Winter Candy Apple has notes of red apple, winter rose petals, and fresh cinnamon. Super happy to have this one. I want to go ahead and show her some love in the upcoming weeks because I feel like she's worth it. She's a very juicy, watery, bright, very spicy from the cinnamon type of apple. I love this one. Super happy that I'm able to go ahead and use up the Diamond Shimmer Mist in the meantime until I'm able to get my hands on a couple of the Fine Fragrance Mist when Bath & Body Works has a sale or when a sale comes around. But yeah, super happy to bring out Winter Candy Apple for late fall into winter of 2023. The next one that I have no more of the Fine Fragrance Mist for, but I do have this Diamond Shimmer Mist, is the Magic in the Air. Magic in the Air has notes of almond flower. There is sparkling persimmon. There is white iris, whipped vanilla bourbon, and fluffy sandalwood. This is the only thing I have left in my collection from 2020. I went in, and I think I do have a body lotion. So until I get this Magic in the Air, until Bath and Body Works brings this back, I will definitely be going in. Such a gorgeous packaging back in 2020. I'm not sure if they had re-released this in 2021, but I wasn't checking for it because I had two in my stash that I've just recently finished over the past year. And this white diamond shimmer mist is all I have left of Magic in the Air. I love this so much. It's such a gorgeous, beautiful, floral, but sweet vanilla bourbon type of fragrance. Super happy that I have this, and it's very suitable for late fall into winter of 2023. So the next fragrance mist that I do want to share with you that I have been itching to wear. I've had this in my arsenal since 2020, and I got it from Victoria's Secret Pink, and that is the Vanilla Swirl. This Vanilla Swirl has notes of frosted vanilla and sugar crystals. And when I tell you that they were not lying about the sugar in this fragrance, it is packed with sugar. It is the most, or one of the most sugary sweet fragrance mist that I do have in my collection. You do get a hint of vanilla in there. The vanilla is beautiful. It's super nice. I love this one a lot. This is such a good, beautiful, smoky vanilla. I don't know if it's a vanilla bourbon or a Madagascar vanilla, Whatever it is, it's gorgeous. And I'm super happy that I have this one. I want to take my time because I feel like she's worth it. So, yeah, I'm happy to have this one and bring it out for late fall into winter of 2023. The next fragrance mist that I am so happy that I have, I kind of hopped on the bandwagon for this one in 2022, and I let this pass by in 2021. But I'm super happy that I have it now, and I can't wait to bring her out and just um, have and pair her up with different things just to calm her down just a notch because she's giving gourmand. She's giving blueberry pancakes, and that is going to be the blueberry sugar pancakes. This blueberry sugar pancakes has notes of sugared blueberries. There's fresh pancakes and caramel cream drizzle. This is for the sweet gourmand lovers. You must love sweet in order to love this blueberry sugar pancakes. Sugar is definitely the top note. Sugar is the middle note, and sugar is the base note in this blueberry pancake fine fragrance mist. You can definitely smell the blueberries in here. It's like squished blueberries. It smells like blueberries that was just squished or grinded together and forced into this bottle with sugar, and then they drizzled this with caramel. That is what this smells like. I don't even want to smell this because it is headache inducing. It is not cold enough for me to go ahead and place this on my body as much as I want to, even though this is such an amazing blueberry fine fragrance mist. I feel like you got to pick the right season. You got to pick the right time of day in order to wear this one. If you don't, you will end up in a coma. I love this one, and I can't wait to pull this blueberry sugar pancake out for late fall into early winter of 2023. The next one that I'm super hyped that I have in my collection that I just want to bring out and wear her immediately. But because there are some floral notes in here, and there are a lot of woody notes in here, I feel like she is suitable for a sweater weather type of day. And that is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Untamed. This one has ripened berry and violet leaves. The berry in here is super prominent. Oh, it's so stinking good. She's super amazing. She's very woody. She's giving berry and woods. She's definitely giving fall. She's giving early winter. She's giving all the things. And I'm super happy to pull out this Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Untamed for her beauty. I feel like this one was a 2021 acquisition for me, but yeah, she's definitely giving fall and winter, and I can't wait to pull this one out and wear her like right now. Another one that I have been using as of lately, and I want to continue using her because she is that good. She is amazing on my skin and definitely long lasting. Like I get 2 to 3 hours or more if I pair her up on the skin and on the clothes. Is this whipped vanilla chiffon. This whipped vanilla chiffon has some floral notes, and there's definitely some type of vanilla bourbon in here that really sweetens this up and makes this very wearable. I feel like this whipped vanilla chiffon is absolutely amazing for the lovers of florals. If you don't want anything super sweet or sickly sweet, but you want to smell really good, you want to smell your best, and you want to have some type of florals on your skin. Maybe you're a lover of florals, but you want a little bit of vanilla added. This is definitely the one. It's the perfect mixture. It definitely screams late fall. It screams early winter. It's all year round, if you ask me. I love this one, and I can't wait to pull out this whipped vanilla chiffon and bring her out a little bit more late fall into early winter. Another fragrance mist that I feel like is definitely worth it. I feel like she's worth every single penny that I spent on her. She is definitely here for the late fall into early winter. You can use her whenever, but I feel like I can use her now and she will definitely perform amazing on my skin. Is this Open Sky Fine Fragrance Mist. I feel like the vanilla and the blackberries and the violet in here just makes this the perfect fall fragrance. I feel like it's suitable for fall, late fall into early winter. You definitely get the blackberries in here, and I feel like they play a very important role in making this such an amazing fragrance. It's so good. I can't wait to pull this out and layer this one with different things. And finally, I want to share with you another amazing fragrance that I have been neglecting, that I've been recently pulling out more and more, is this Daydream Fine Fragrance Mist. Daydream has notes of raspberry, there's pear, and there's lily petals in here. This is such a super gorgeous smelling fragrance. I love the way the raspberries play with the pear and the lily in here. It's so nice and light and it's very aromatic. Love this one a lot. Super happy that I have Daydream. Can't wait to bring her out for late fall into early winter of 2023. So you guys, that is it. Those are all the fragrance mists that I do have in my collection that I'm super excited to bring out for late fall into early winter of 2023. Haven't been reaching for them a lot because they're more winter-esque type of fragrances. They're going to be layered on the body as soon as possible. So I'm super happy. I love you. I hope that you all have an amazing day. To all my subscribers, old and new, thank you so much. If you haven't already subscribed and you stopped by this channel more than you want to, go ahead and subscribe down below. Yeah, and just become part of the family. I love you. May God bless you. And until the next video.